What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Goodview Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and in this video we're going to be making a last minute Valentine's Day gift that pretty much anybody can make. It's super simple, quick, easy, all the things. If you want to see how it comes together, let's check it out. We only need a few items for this video. We only need a few items for this project. You need jigsaw. You can pretty much cut the whole thing out with a jigsaw. This is just a piece of scrap that I had. Tape measure. We need a 1-inch Forstner bit or paddle bit and a 1 3/4-inch Forstner bit or paddle bit, some finish, and a sander. That's it. Now I'm going to be using some other tools in the shop, so but this can be done with just this, okay? We have here a piece of walnut, I'm pretty sure, or Brazilian cherry. Yeah, definitely walnut. So we're gonna use that. I literally found this piece of scrap laying down on, well, in the mess. Okay, so we're gonna chop this up real quick. We wanna get it to, we're gonna do 8.5 by 8.5. All right, now to see if the piece is square, all you gotta do is measure from the corner to the corner. And we got right about 12 1/16. If it's 12 1/16 on this side, we know our piece is square. Look at that, money. Okay, now we're gonna mark out where we're gonna put our holes here. Okay, there's the center. Then we're gonna come back about 2 inches. We're gonna make 4 little marks where we're gonna drill. One right there. One right there. One right there. One right there. All right. Now we're gonna use the big one for the center hole, and if you notice, the rustier the better when it comes to Forstner bits. Remember that, it's an important thing. And And then we're going to use the 1-inch ones for all the ones here on the corner. Now we're just making the little small slits, and this is what the jigsaw is for. We're gonna cut those. We're gonna cut it right there, and that way the wine glass can slide right in. So let's do that. All right, got it all marked. Let's cut. Right, there we have it. Wine glass, wine glass, wine bottle. Then we're gonna take an old piece of sandpaper and just clean up these corners so they're not so sharp. We're going to do that to all of them. We're going to be using Odie's oil. I'm using Odie's oil as a finish. It's time for the good part now. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This project took about 45 minutes from start to finish. So it's a really quick and easy, I call it a Valentine's Day project, because this is just the beginning of the gift, okay? I showed you the easy part of the gift. Now the hard part, guys, is to go out and find, guys or gals, find your significant other and plan a date, so that way you can use this. Essentially, this is just a holder. You got your bottle and your glasses. If you notice, I had just a bottle we put water in and put some glasses to drink out of, but if you want wine or something like that, it works just as good too. All right, this cost me nothing except for my time. This was just a piece of scrap I had laying around, but if you were to try to buy a piece of walnut like this, we're talking less than 1 board foot, okay? So super cheap, 10 bucks maybe. So 10 bucks and 45 minutes of your time will get you this nice thing, and you never know, you guys could use it for years to come, and it might be worth more sentimental value than it is actual value, but it's a really cool project. I'm sure you could pop a bunch of these out at once. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for hanging out with us. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Still here, why don't you click one of these videos right here and keep on watching. Do me a favor, I'm sure you could learn something else or make a cool project.